Okay, YouTube, this is my 2006 Nissan Frontier. What's going on here? I'm changing out the oil ring behind this oil cooler because it's leaking, as you can see. I went to the local Nissan shop, and what they're gonna give you for about $9 is this oil ring right here, which is 2134-JK20A. I mean, it's a little bit difficult, but they was gonna charge me $650 just to put this part on, and as of right now, I really can't afford it. So I'm gonna show you guys now. This bolt right here is actually a 7/8, so you can put the 7/8 on there, and you see me turning it, and this is counterclockwise. I done already did the work as far as taking it off. Okay, so I got me some napkins so I can just wipe some of this stuff off, so you can see how this is the oil cooler. So clean this up. I'm going counterclockwise with the screw. Okay, you see the drip pan is going into, okay, it's off. Okay, so I'm taking this off. It's kind of tough because, as you can see, it's a little bit sludge on there. So I'm gonna put this to the side and clean this off. Okay, but as you look behind here, you can see an O-ring back there. Now the O-ring not supposed to be up there on that, so I'll go ahead and take that off. All right, as you can see, if I turn it over, this right here is the seat. This right here is where the oil ring is supposed to go into when it goes onto the engine block. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this old one. I'm gonna take this out, and this is exactly how it looked. So got the old oil ring. It's a little bent out of shape. So I'm gonna take that and put that to the side. Go ahead and open this other one. Now the guy from the dealership, he said I can put it on dry. So so what I'm gonna do is make sure my hands are clean. Wipe my hands off. And as you see, here go, that's the new one. I got it on this asphalt, so I mean it's not gonna be pretty. So you can see how the orange one has expanded, and the new one, you can see how the orange one has expanded. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put the just dry off my hands, make sure there's no dirt or grime on it while I put the new one on here. So I'm gonna put that new one up here. Hopefully you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see me. Okay. It takes two hands, so I'm gonna dry this stuff off. I'm gonna dry some of this stuff off around here so I can get a good seat. So I'm putting, ooh, that's a big groove up here. All right, let's see. Dry off the old oil in the back of that pan where the oil gasket hits the motor. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna dry my hands off one more time, and I'm gonna put, here's the O-ring. I'm putting the O-ring in on the back, on this groove that's back here. Okay. So I got it from Nissan, so hopefully they know what they're doing. So as you can see, I got everything in there seated. Let me get you up. Hold on, let me wipe my hands off. Okay. Now as you see, I got the new one in there. It's in the groove behind the oil cooler. As you can see, that's the back of the back part back there. That's the front of the engine. So I'm about to. It takes two hands. So I'm about to, it's real simple, but at the same time, you gotta do your best. Okay. Okay. All right. I'll make sure everything is seated on there. Okay. I'm putting it back. I gotta find the screw. All right. All right. We'll go ahead and put the screw back in here. Make sure it's okay to look again to make sure that oil seal is on there because it's very important. Hopefully you guys can see. Sorry about the paper. I mean, this is yeah. So I'm gonna put this back up there like so, and I'm gonna put the nut in there. You want to make sure you get it in there good so you won't get don't cross thread it. Don't rush. If you got to get your 7/8 screw, do that too to turn it. So I'm doing it with my hand as much as I can. So I'm turning. Ugh. It takes 2 hands. Okay, so that's I'm gonna use this napkin also because of these threads, so you won't cut my glove. So I'm turning still. Okay, now the bolt is a 7/8. So here's the 7/8 screw I'm using right here. I'm at the ratchet I'm using. So I'm turning. So let me see. So you want to go clockwise. So let me make sure I gotta adjust it. Going clockwise. Okay. But you want to use deep bolts, deep sockets. Okay, and if you need to get you an extension as well. So that's what I'm about to put on here, an extension. Hopefully I can get comfortable with turning this. Let's see what we got here. Okay, that's a little bit too long. Okay, guys, hold on. I got a little extension. Got a little extension like this. So we're gonna try this one. Put my gloves on. All right, let's see. And again, it's shoot. Okay, hold on. There we go. Again, it's clockwise to tighten it up. Okay, that's good and tight. All right. I'm wiping off all this excess oil. I'm gonna put my oil filter back on. Hey guys, I know this video gonna be terrible, but I mean, you ain't got them expensive tools some other guys got on YouTube. I went to Harbor Freight. I had a good 40 bucks and you get everything you need. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put this old filter back on because they just put this, I just got this baby changed. I noticed this thing was leaking. So just wipe that off. Go ahead and put it back. And if you need to, just use some more napkins to dry it off to turn it. Or better yet, you can use I say just hand tighten it. Or better, you can use a wrench, but just be careful with the wrench. You can pierce it. Then you gotta go buy a brand new one and get it all done again. Just hand tight it as much as you can. Just like I did. I'm using a lot of napkins. Whew. Oh, well. Let's go ahead and tighten it up again. All right, and just top off your oil, and I say run it for a good 10-15 minutes. Then come back up under here and check it. And once everything is good, if you don't see no more leaks, then that's when I say you can go ahead and put your splash guards and your bolts and stuff back in. But I thank you guys for watching. Hope this is a helpful video, and have a good day. All right, bye-bye.